Government is actively supporting SMEs by providing resources and platforms that can help SMEs realize their business goals. And in this regard, IPI plays an important role as an intermediary and a connector to help our SMEs identify, assess, and source for useful technologies and know-how to meet their diverse needs.
TechInnovation is a fantastic event. It brings together people from 50 countries, so you can meet a whole range of different people at the same time. So for Innovate UK, we found it fantastic bringing out 15 companies who really get a feel for what Singapore's like, but actually can engage and meet with lots of different companies at the same time and some really good contacts. So the event itself is just a great showcase for everybody.
Singapore is very much viewed as the gateway to the entire region. So look, there's very much top-tier corporates, top-tier institutions over here, and TechInnovation was highly recommended. So that's why we're here, and it's worked out very well for us.
I think the audience is varied, but essentially made up of people who are genuinely looking to make improvements to this industry using technology. So I think it's a great forum. 3 of the speakers that I was speaking alongside have already told me that this was the highest quality audience they've seen in a while, and I would probably agree with them on that.
Singapore is a great place to be because people are very professional, very active, very kind, friendly, and what I appreciate at TechInnovation is absolutely great organization.
What they actually did was they allow us to actually access a whole entire list of all the exhibitors, the delegates, the speakers. So we really could connect with them way before the actual event. And that really makes it so much more fruitful because you get to schedule time to make sure you have a deeper conversation rather than just hopping around booths.
For the TechInnovation 2018, so it's very useful. So I fly over to from Thailand, to come to this event because we want to explore the deep tech startup, and also the deep tech technology in Singapore. And then we saw a lot of technology, here in this event.
One thing that strikes me a lot is the amount of innovative companies I think it's really boomed in Singapore. It's very impressive in terms of the breadth of different types of technologies. And what strikes me is that sometimes you go in looking for something, but you end up finding something which is just as valuable, which you just didn't realize existed.
It's been a fabulous showcase for us, putting ourselves in front of Singapore potential partners and customers. We're really desperate to expand our market into Asia Pac, so this is a great place for us to come and showcase what we do.
I think that Singapore has always been a very cosmopolitan place. There is a lot of technological development going on. So I think it's natural for this place to evolve into a kind of a platform for open knowledge.
TechInnovation as an exhibition in Singapore appealed to us as a place where we can exhibit to potential people who are seeking the technology. And we are also in it to see who are the ones that we can actually collaborate with for the projects that we are actually embarking on right now.
It was interesting because we are a partnership and an ecosystem-driven company, and the conference is all about ecosystem and partnerships. It's an awesome conference where you're bringing practitioners, connecting them with enterprises, and sort of bridging the gap between these two communities.
I love it. So many companies from so many different industries. That's exactly what I was hoping for, to find, to connect people from different industries which would not have been together at one place if an event like this would not exist.